Welcome to our tour of Sydney, Australia. In this video, we'll explore some of the most iconic and breathtaking spots this vibrant city has to offer. From the architectural marvel of the Sydney Opera House to the sun-kissed sands of Bondi Beach, we'll uncover the heart and soul of this captivating destination. Join me as we delve into the bustling heart of Sydney, where urban life meets natural splendour. We'll witness the city's unique blend of cultures, its rich history, and its vibrant contemporary scenes. Get ready to immerse yourselves in the sights and sounds of Sydney, a city that truly has something to offer everyone. Let's begin our adventure. Is what makes Sydney truly unique and unforgettable. Today, we trade the bustling city streets for the invigorating embrace of the Pacific Ocean. Our destination, the iconic Bondi to Coogee Coastal Walk. This 6-kilometre trail winds its way along the dramatic sandstone cliffs, offering breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean and Sydney's famed eastern suburbs. As we set off from Bondi Beach, the sound of crashing waves and the scent of salt air fill our senses. Bondi Beach, with its golden sands and azure waters, is a hive of activity. Surfers carve up the waves, sunbathers soak up the rays, and families build sandcastles at the water's edge. Leaving the crowds behind, we ascend the cliff tops, our path leading us past secluded coves, hidden rock pools, and panoramic ocean vistas. The air is alive with the cries of seabirds, their white wings flashing against the blue sky. Along the way, we encounter Tamarama Beach, affectionately known as Glamourama, for its popularity with sunbathers and socialites. This picturesque cove, framed by rocky headlands, is the perfect spot for a refreshing dip in the ocean. Further along the trail, we reach Bronte Beach, a favourite among families for its sheltered bay and ocean pool. Here, children splash in the shallows while parents relax on the grassy slopes, enjoying the spectacular coastal views. Our journey continues past Waverley Cemetery, its headstones perched precariously on the cliff tops, overlooking the vast expanse of the Pacific. The cemetery, with its weathered monuments and serene atmosphere, offers a poignant reminder of the passage of time. Finally, we arrive at Coogee Beach, our final destination. Coogee, with its wide, sandy beach and lively promenade, is a fitting end to our coastal adventure. Here we can relax at a beachfront cafe, savouring the taste of fresh seafood and the salty tang of the ocean air. The Bondi to Coogee Coastal Walk is more than just a walk. It's a journey of discovery. It's a chance to connect with nature, to experience the raw beauty of the Australian coastline, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. The walk is not just about the destination, but the journey itself, filled with moments of awe and wonder. Along the way, we also encounter vibrant coastal flora, with native Australian plants adding splashes of colour to the rugged landscape. Many walkers pause to capture these moments, taking photos that will remind them of this beautiful journey. Keep an eye out for local wildlife too, from lizards basking in the sun to the occasional pod of dolphins playing in the surf. There are also plenty of scenic spots, perfect for a picnic, where you can sit back, relax, and take in the stunning views. As the day draws to a close, the setting sun casts golden hues over the Pacific Ocean, creating a breathtaking finale to our coastal walk. It's in these moments, sharing stories and laughter, that we realize the true magic of the Bondi to Coogee Coastal Walk. It's a place where memories are made and cherished forever. Chapter 3. Escape to the Blue Mountains, nature's masterpiece. Today we venture beyond the city limits, leaving behind the urban sprawl for the rugged beauty of the Blue Mountains National Park. This journey promises not just a change of scenery, but a complete immersion into nature's grandeur. Just a 2-hour drive from Sydney, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a world away from the hustle and bustle of city life. The drive itself is a scenic delight, with each mile bringing a magical moment, a reminder of the raw power and beauty of the natural world. The serenity and splendour of the Blue Mountains at dusk leave a lasting impression on all who witness it. And as we make our way back to the city, we carry with us a renewed appreciation for the wonders that lie just beyond our doorstep. The memories of this day will linger, a testament to the timeless allure of nature's masterpiece. Thanks for joining us on this tour of Sydney. We hope you enjoyed discovering these amazing spots. From the architectural marvels of the Opera House and Harbour Bridge to the sun-drenched